I've recently found a product crushing it on TikTok Shop in the United States. If you're on TikTok Shop, you don't want to miss this. What I'm going to do is show you the product, where I'm getting this information, how much money is being moved, in what channels the product is being promoted. We're also going to look at the creator that's making the most money promoting this product, doing something called TikTok Shop Affiliate. We're going to look at one of the videos that they are doing to promote the product. By the way, I do a free newsletter where I send out case studies like this in writing once a week. I've left a link in the description. So we are talking about this Ninja FrostVault hard cooler. The website I'm looking at to find this information is called Kalo Data. If you'd like me to do a video walking through the different websites to do product research, let me know in the comments. How do we know this product is doing well? If we go onto the homepage of Kalo Data, you see hot selling products. This is the United States, but you can view other such as the United Kingdom, where TikTok Shop Affiliate is available. It's currently number one for the period between the 19th of August and 17th of September, the last 30 days. The price range is anywhere from $199 to $249, which is a good opportunity to make profit depending on how much you're buying this product for as a shop owner. But for the affiliate, every time they sell this product through affiliate marketing on TikTok Shop, they are going to get 10% commission. They've sold nearly 23,000 units in the last 30 days. The revenue generated is $5.2 million. We can see the channels by which this product is selling on TikTok Shop. The first one is live sessions. The second, where the majority of the revenue is coming from, is videos. When someone creates the video reviewing the product, there's product cards as well. If we scroll further down, we can see content creators promoting this product. We can see the top creator, Jordan Theodore. He has generated $2.4 million in revenue in the last 30 days promoting this product. This is revenue, not profit. I'm going to get to that, but he's clearly outperforming other creators here by a mile. We're just going to switch over now onto the creator detail page so we can understand what Jordan is doing. He's got 261k followers, which is decent. Under core metrics, we can see he's done a few lives. He's made 2.5k in revenue from a live session, but we can see overall revenue is 2.7 million mentioned here. He's absolutely crushing it. Jordan makes 10% commission every time he sells one of these. So he would have made $270,000 profit in the last 30 days. We can also see how many videos Jordan has created to promote the product. The highest performing one is this. I'm going to show you that in just a second. We can see all these other videos. This again comes in useful if just starting out and you are a content creator and you're wondering, what are people saying in these videos? How are they hooking people, presenting the product? What features are they talking about? How are they getting people to buy? What exactly are they doing that's working? This is a way to spy, copy what he's doing, put your own spin on it, and start making commission as well. I've clicked the top video here so we can just have a little peek. Hopefully you'll be able to hear the video, but if you can't, I will link it in the description as well, so you can go ahead and watch it after this.
First, you're going to click on the orange shopping cart down below. Once you see the product page, you're going to see that original price of $249.90.
So it walks you through how you can get this product cheaper than the original price. It's $90 off, 40% off.
What's your color?
He's walking you through the process
Free.
and goes into features.
Foot fridge. About 40 degrees, you can put fruits, yeast, whatever down here.
We're not going to play the whole video, but we can get the structure straight away. He started with the hook straight away, didn't waste any time. It started like the skit is talking to his partner, and the partner thinks, oh my God, this must be so expensive. And no, this is not that expensive. This is how you buy it. The partner represents the people watching the video, seeing it for the first time, curious about how much it probably costs, that are skeptical. The partner was skeptical, but converted by that hook and by explaining exactly how they can go about getting that product, where they can go, what to click, how to get the coupon, how to get free delivery. So it led with the hook, then it went into the price, because you can imagine it is anywhere from $200 to $300 to buy. A lot of people are skeptical because it's a lot of money to spend on a Chinese app online. But straight away, he has attacked that one fear. He's calm down. It's okay. You can buy it. This is how much you'll spend. You're actually not going to spend all of that amount. You're going to get it delivered for free. These are the benefits. Feel free to check out the rest of the video. Notice this is an ad. There's two ways that Joe could have done this. He either could have paid for the ads himself TikTok recently rolled out a feature where you as the creator can now spend some of your budget to promote that video and give it a push, which I think is cool. If you're starting to make you a little bit of commission and you want to explore getting even more commission from that video, then you can explore place ads on there. But this doesn't devalue the organic approach where you just let the For You page do all the work for you, get all the commission, and you don't spend money on ads, but technically the people that are earning more potentially have got the opportunity to invest some of that back through ads, make more commission, the shop makes more money, TikTok is happy, the shop is happy, you as the creator affiliate are happy, and you as the shop could learn from this. If you're not working with creators yet, if you're new, still getting people to trust you, creating organic content to promote your product, there you go. You've got an approach. You can now take $270,000 in commission from a 1-minute video in the last 30 days. That video took about 20 minutes to make. What are your thoughts? I send out case studies like this weekly via my free newsletter called the Ecom Brief, linked in the description, linked in the pinned comment as well. So feel free to check that out.